For outdoor enthusiasts braving the elements, the Garmin Fenix series has long been the go-to option. Renowned for its unwavering GPS precision and robust build quality, the Fenix series has established itself as the pinnacle of rugged smartwatches. However, with competitors upping their game, particularly in battery life, Garmin risks losing its hard-earned crown. The highly anticipated Fenix 8 Pro emerges as a potential game-changer, aiming to recapture the hearts and wrists of adventurers everywhere. Today, we are going to talk about all possible features and upgrades the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is expected to come with. First, a significant shift from the Fenix 7, the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to integrate solar charging technology across all models. This strategic move ensures extended battery life across the board, eliminating the need to choose a solar-specific version for maximized endurance. Adventurers venturing off the beaten path will benefit from this extended uptime, allowing them to focus on their expeditions without battery anxieties. Where Garmin previously held a distinct edge, competitors like Coros have surged ahead, offering nearly double the battery life of the current Fenix 7 Pro. To reclaim its competitive edge, Garmin must prioritize substantial battery life improvements in the Fenix 8 Pro. This might involve a combination of hardware and software optimizations alongside advancements in solar charging efficiency. The Fenix 7 Pro marked the introduction of the acclaimed Elevate Gen 5 optical heart rate sensor, and its continued presence in the Fenix 8 Pro is a safe bet. This sensor has garnered praise for its accuracy, providing users with valuable insights into their heart health and overall performance. Whether pushing limits on a mountain trail or navigating a dense forest, this focus on advanced health tracking empowers users to make informed decisions and optimize their outdoor pursuits. The Fenix line has carved a niche for itself with its unparalleled durability, built to withstand the harshest conditions imaginable. From scorching deserts to freezing mountain peaks, the Fenix series has proven its mettle. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to uphold this tradition. While the inclusion of solar panels across all models might lead to a slight increase in size, the core focus on ruggedness will undoubtedly remain. This ensures that adventurers can rely on their Fenix 8 Pro to function flawlessly, even when the going gets tough. While an AMOLED display might be reserved for the Epix lineup, there's room for exciting additions in the Fenix 8 Pro. Scuba divers would welcome the inclusion of depth sensors, while increased storage capacity would allow for more music, maps, and workout data to be stored on the device itself. A wider range of activity modes would further solidify the Fenix 8 Pro's position as a comprehensive outdoor companion, catering to a broader spectrum of athletic pursuits. Garmin has a history of keeping product launches under wraps, making it difficult to pinpoint an exact release date. However, industry speculation suggests a potential Q3 2024 release, possibly August, to strategically avoid a direct clash with the anticipated September launch of the Apple Watch Ultra. The Fenix 8 Pro has the potential to redefine the rugged smartwatch landscape. With its focus on extended battery life, advanced health tracking, and unwavering durability, the Fenix 8 Pro promises to be a compelling option for outdoor enthusiasts. But will it be enough to reclaim its position as the undisputed king? We invite the community to share their thoughts in the comments below. What features would solidify the Fenix 8 Pro as your ultimate adventure companion? That's all for today, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more tech news on your feed.